Somebody once told me that math just isn't for me. You don't know my story, I said. 'Cause hard work and belief someday give the perfect outcome with a marker in hand at the whiteboard. Well, the problems start coming and they don't stop coming. Grab a marker, yeah, we hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to learn for fun. Your brain gets smart, showing where you came from. So much to try, so much to see. Nothing wrong with asking your group or me. You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never grow if you don't show. Hey now, you're a math star. Turn and talk now. So learn. Hey now, at the whiteboards, get your try on. Show, grow. And you can do more than you're told. Only our teamwork breaks the mold. It's a hard problem, and yeah, it gets harder. Keep showing your work, yeah, you'll get smarter. Steli says, explain it clearer. Say it out loud, now the answer's nearer. The math we create is making me grin. Wrong at first, we're jumping back in. My brain's on fire, how about yours? That's the way we learn, and we're asking for more. Hey now, you're a math star. Turn and talk now. Go learn. Hey now, at the whiteboards, get your try on. Show, grow, and you can do more than you're told. Only our teamwork breaks the mold.